Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this classic red lip makeup look tutorial using a couple of Smashbox's new products which they sent to me recently. I actually already started with my foundation. It's the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and that is when I wasn't really sure if I wanted to film a video today, but then I went ahead and filmed it anyway. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the MAC Studio Fix press powder. This is in the shade NC41, and I'm using a blush brush to set this on my face because I feel like to lightly dust it off, this brush actually works well for me. Now I'm using the Too Faced Love Flush blush, and today I'm not going to use a contour or a bronzing product at all. I'm just going to keep it really plain and simple and just do, just let the red lipstick do the talking. Also today you will see me change my mind a couple of times in the video probably. Right now I'm going ahead with this nudish sort of an eyeshadow which will just give me a pure, I would say, like a very soft definition on my eyelids, and I'm using a very I would say it's a fluffy brush, and it's by the brand Pro Art if I'm not wrong. For my brows, I'm using the NYX 3-in-1 Brow Mascara, which you guys have seen me use a lot of times. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and use the My Glam Brow Powder, which they sent to me, and you must have probably seen it on my Instagram stories as well. This powder, you guys, is actually really nice to sort of fill in the gap in my brows, and I've used the NYX Build Them Up brow powder as well, but I feel like this one actually does the job a little bit more. I mean, it does it more efficiently for sure. This I think is in the shade Dark Brown, and it does work at defining the brows as well. For my lashes, I'm using the Superfan Mascara by Smashbox, and the wand of this is so beautiful, you guys. It is so nicely spaced out. It actually separates the lashes and does give that fanned out look, and that's why I'm zooming in. The consistency of this product is really beautiful. It's neither too runny nor is it really thick. It doesn't dry immediately, and it doesn't, I mean, it's the best form. It doesn't dry on the wand. It dries once you've applied it on your lashes. You do have to give it a couple of seconds though. Don't sneeze immediately if you can avoid. Also, I'm going to apply the technique of applying this mascara from the top of the lashes as well, which you will see in just a bit. I did mess up my eyeshadow while doing this. You have to be very, very careful if you're applying this technique. But I did go ahead and clean that. It's not a big deal when you've applied just one wash of color. But next time, I'm going to be a bit more careful. And the tip of this liquid liner is beautiful, you guys. It actually gives you a perfect, that perfect thin eyeliner look. And you can also build it up into a winged eyeliner look or even a thicker eyeliner look, whatever it is that you're looking for. What I really like about it is that it actually looks really fresh even after it dries off. It gives you that perfect jet black liner look, if you guys know what I mean. And for my inner waterline, I'm using the Nude Eye Pencil by RIMMEL. And just outside my lower lashes, I'm going to apply that brickish shade from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. And of course, for the lips, I'm going to go ahead and use the Bawse liquid lipstick, again by Smashbox Cosmetics. What I really, really love about it is the consistency. It is the perfect consistency for liquid lipsticks, you guys. And you all know my love for red liquid lipsticks. It immediately dries out on your lips. It mattifies fully. It doesn't dry out your lips at all. And I did wear this last night for dinner, and it pretty much stayed on my lips for a good, I would say a good 6 to 7 hours for sure. I left my house at like 5:30 and I got back home by midnight, so it pretty much stayed throughout. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Golden, and I really love this, you guys. This is one of my most favorite go-to highlighters from the drugstore. As always, I'm going to apply it to all the usual places, and today I want the nose to also look a little bit more highlighted, so that's why the excess. And a bit on the brow bone for sure to highlight the brow bone to give a little bit of a lifted look. And to finish off the look and to keep my makeup intact, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus Spray, and this is definitely my go-to and my all-time favorite for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really sorry I haven't uploaded for a while, but I'll try to be regular now, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!